po jako akawuwo.
Mukaweefube w'okudduukirira abalina obwetaavu mu kiseera kino ng'abantu bangi bali mu mayumba, omuyizi okuva ku ssomero lya Bwera Secondary School amanyiddwa nga Edwin kushemerwa awadeyo kilo z'obuwunga bwa muwogo eziwera 2.
We are starting with people with disabilities. We are starting with people who have been begging around the streets, and then the borders and saloon operators.
Ono bino abikwasizza myuka RDC w'ekaseese Joshua Masereka ku ofiisi ye ng'onamwebazizza olw'okuvaayo okudduukirira abali mu bwetaavu mu kaseera kano akazibu.
200 kilograms of cassava flour from Semerera Edwin, who's 19 years and who's a student. I'm saying thank you very much for that heart, and it is my prayer that you continue behaving like that.
Masereka asoomozezza abagagga mu kitundu abeesuuliddeyo gwa Nagamba ne balemwa okudduukirira ku batalina ng'asabye n'omwana ono okusigala n'omutima omusaasizi.
Because there are so many people who have the money but they have not contributed. But at this age of 19, with that big heart of giving the people, I think this is a difference that you are making. In the name of government of Uganda, I receive the cassava flour of 200 kilograms. Thank you.
Kushemerwa ategeeza ng'ekigendererwa kye bwe kiri eky'okuyamba kw'abo abatalina mu kiseera kino nga bangi bayita mu kunyigirizibwa olw'obutakola.
Because I believe there are very many people who have been locked down in their houses and they have been working but now they cannot work, and I believe most of them really need help, and because I cannot manage to give everyone, I thought that I should get some of my savings and then.
Ono nga muyimbi akyezimba agamba nti ensimbi asobodde okuzikuŋŋaanya mpolampola era n'asaba ne bayimbi banne abasobola baveeyo bayambe ku bannansi.
Help each and everyone. I want they should come and help me. They should also come and give in what they can so that we can build a better Uganda as in helping people to get food during this hard time of COVID-19.
Meya wa municipali eno Godfrey Kabyanga naye asiimye Musaayi Mutono n'asaba abalala kino okukitwala ng'ekyokulabirako.
And we have also received a donation from a young girl, I think 200 kilograms of cassava flour. Senior 6 liver is in vacation, but he's a musician. He's still in senior 6. He's a musician, and I think from his little savings, he has managed to bring 200 kilograms of portion. Yesterday, the president was even reading senior 4 child, I think, who contributed 10,000. So everybody should contribute.
N'aba factory ya Murumu nabo badduukiridde ne kilo z'obuwunga eziwera 8 era ng'okusinziira kwakulembeddemu enteekateeka eno bagamba nti bavuddeyo okuddiza kw'abo abawagizi baabwe abatalina mu kiseera kino.
Twashara mu kuheereza ya district akakiiko k'okukurra ya corona ka district kilo zikwingana 8 kuyambaho abantu biitu abatine ekyokulya abari omu maju abo. So nicyo twiziraho RDC officially ka president oku yaragiire twahandinga over kilo 8 z'akahunga ka posho.
Robert Kule yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS Television.
Murimo.
Quality millers.
Yes. Okay. Wasinja kutegera twehereryo. Kana yatunga